Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: updated iOS, iCloud Photos enabled, and Photos permissions granted so Apple Intelligence can access images. Once done, open Photos, pick the image, and tap Edit to invoke Apple Intelligence tools. Use the AI prompt bar or the Visual Tools menu to request a specific change, like removing an object or altering lighting. You begin with a single, small request to see how the model handles texture and edges before deeper edits. Next, focus on detailed execution. Use explicit prompts such as remove subject, replace background, or refine skin tone so the model understands intent. Paint a mask for local edits and zoom to 100% to refine edges and preserve fine detail. Once local fixes are clean, apply global adjustments, exposure, color balance, and noise reduction to integrate the change naturally. Make incremental changes and use. Compare to check that edits improve the original rather than flatten it. Finish by saving a duplicate so your original stays untouched. Then export using high efficiency or JPEG depending on compatibility. Include metadata if you need location or timestamp preserved. Once exported, sync via iCloud or AirDrop for further work or sharing. If results look wrong, first undo and retry with a clearer prompt. If problems persist, update iOS, toggle Photos permissions, or force close the app and reopen. That usually clears transient AI glitches and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.